Hello and welcome to section 11.3, which is on the surface area of pyramids and cones. A pyramid is a polyhedron that can have any polygon as the base, and the other lateral faces are triangles that meet at a common point called a vertex. The altitude of a pyramid is a perpendicular segment that goes from the vertex to the base. It's also called the height. Regular pyramid is a pyramid whose base is a regular polygon and whose lateral faces are congruent isosceles triangles. Slant height is the length of the altitude of a lateral face. The lateral area of a pyramid is 1/2 perimeter times slanted height. The surface area of a pyramid is the lateral area, which is 1/2 perimeter times slanted height, plus the area of the base, the big B. So my example here is a square pyramid. You have to know what shape the base is, right? A square pyramid has base edges of 5 meters and a slanted height of 3 meters. What is the surface area of the pyramid? So to do that, I need to start with my formula, which is 1/2 perimeter times slanted height plus area of the base. So 1/2, those are really bad too. The base edges are 5 meters and it is a square, so if you walk around that square and add it up, the perimeter would be 20. The slanted height they're telling you is 3, and then you add the area of the base, which if we have a 5 by 5 square, you just take 5 times 5, the area of the base would be 25. 1/2 of 20 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. And then if you add your 25, you get 55. And because it is asking for area, you have to label it with square meters. Okay, so not too bad. Next, we're going to deal with cones. So a cone is a solid that has one base that is a circle and a vertex that is in the same plane as the base. In other words, it looks like a witch's hat. It comes to a point, has a circle as the base. The altitude is the perpendicular segment from the vertex to the base. The slanted height is the distance from the vertex to a point on the edge of the base. So you're going down the slanted side. Lateral area of cones is pi times radius times slanted height. Surface area of cones is pi times radius times slanted height plus pi times radius squared, which is the big B, right? Because that's the area of a circle. My example, the radius of the base of a cone is 16 meters. Its slanted height is 28 meters. What is the surface area of the cone? So I need to use the formula. Pi times radius times slanted height plus pi times radius squared. Pi, we're going to use 3.14. My radius is 16. They give it to me right here. Times my slanted height, which is 28, plus pi again, times radius squared. So now we just have a lot of math I got to do. So 3.14, 16 times 28 is 448. Plus 3.14 times 16 squared, which is 256. So I just need to finish this up by multiplying these two, which is 1406.72, and multiply these two, which is 803.84. It doesn't say to round it, so I'm just going to add them. 2210.56, and again, it is area, surface area, but the area is there, so you have to label it with the square meters on that one. So the formulas aren't too bad. Just bring that knowledge with you, and we will talk about it more the next time I see you. Have a good night.